Hey there! Are you ready to turn your Instagram from a scrolling time suck into a client-attracting money-making machine? Instagram isn't just for selfies anymore. It's the ultimate platform to build a magnetic personal brand that pays you. We're talking more visibility, more clients, more impact. All from doing what you love and sharing your unique brilliance with the world. And today, I'm giving you a full game plan you can start using immediately to blow up your brand. So grab your coffee. Let's dive in. Listen up, because this is important. Right now, Instagram is not just surviving, it's thriving. With over 2.5 billion active users, it's the place to be for entrepreneurs, especially heart-centered, impact-driven women like you. Here's the thing. People are craving connection more than ever. They're tired of the fake, the filtered, the impersonal. They're looking for authentic, relatable brands they can trust. They want to see the real you, your story, your struggles, your triumphs. And guess what? Your story is your superpower. Women-led brands are outperforming others in engagement. Because we connect, we build community, and we inspire. We're natural storytellers, and that's exactly what Instagram is all about. Don't believe me? Here's a stat for you. Posts with a human face get 38% more engagement. People connect with people, so ditch the stock photos and let your beautiful face shine. Remember, as my mentor always says, people buy from people they trust, not logos. Your personal brand is the key to unlocking that trust, and Instagram is the megaphone to share it with the world. Okay, so you're ready to rock Instagram and build a brand that converts followers into raving fans and paying clients. Amazing. But before you hit that post button, we need to lay a solid foundation. First things first, clarity. You need to answer these 3 essential questions. Who are you? Who do you serve? Why should they trust you? This is about digging deep and getting crystal clear on your unique value proposition. What are you passionate about? What problems do you solve? What makes you different? Here's an action tip for you. Pick 3 to 5 content pillars. These are the core themes you'll consistently talk about on your feed. Some examples: mindset, marketing tips, personal journey, behind the scenes, client wins. Sticking to these pillars helps you stay memorable and authentic. It's like creating a beautiful tapestry. Each post is a thread that weaves together to create a cohesive and compelling picture of your brand. I've seen this work wonders for my clients. One of them, Sarah, went from scattered posting to a consistent brand voice focused on confidence, copywriting, and client success, and tripled her followers in 4 months. Clarity works, my friend. Let's be real. Instagram is a visual platform first. You could have the most incredible, life-changing content in the world, but if your visuals are blah, people are going to scroll right past you. Your content has to stop the scroll. Think about it. You're competing with cute puppies, delicious food, and vacation pics. Your visuals need to be just as captivating. Now, before you freak out, this doesn't mean you need to be a professional photographer or graphic designer. It's about creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing feed that reflects your brand personality. Consistency is key here. And no, consistency isn't boring. It's branding. Think of your favorite brands. They all have a distinct visual identity that's instantly recognizable. Here are a few simple tips to up your visual game. Use 2 to 3 brand colors consistently throughout your feed. Choose 1 to 2 fonts that reflect your brand personality and stick with them. Invest in great lighting. Natural light is your best friend. And find a simple, uncluttered background for your photos and videos. Bonus tip: Canva Pro has incredible templates for everything from Instagram posts to Reels to stories. And it's a lifesaver for non-designers. All right, you've got your brand identity nailed, your visuals are on point. Now it's time for the heart of it all, your content. And here's the secret sauce. It's not about you, it's about them. Every single post, story, reel, everything you put out there should serve your audience. It should either educate them, entertain them, empower them, or emotionally connect with them. Think about the problems your ideal client is facing. What keeps them up at night? What are their biggest aspirations? Create content that speaks directly to their needs and desires. Share quick tips that solve common problems. Show behind the scenes of your business wins and struggles. People love to see the human side of entrepreneurship. Celebrate your community more than yourself. Here's a story for you. I once shared a reel about my biggest business flop, like epic fail moment. And you know what? It got 10 times more shares than my polished success posts. Why? Because it was real. People connected with my vulnerability and authenticity. Remember, authenticity wins. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Video. Specifically, short-form video. Instagram is all about it in 2025. If you're not using Reels, Stories, and Lives, you're practically invisible. Reels are where it's at right now. They have a 90% reach boost compared to regular posts, meaning Instagram is literally showing your content to a wider audience. Use trending sounds, share quick tips, get creative, and have fun. Stories are your daily touchpoint with your audience. Use polls, stickers, questions. These are all amazing ways to boost engagement and get people interacting with you. And then there's Lives. Going live is hands down the best way to build real-time trust and connection with your audience. It's like having a virtual coffee date with your followers. Pro tip: go live once a week, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Talk about what you're working on, answer questions, share a quick tip. I promise your authority and follower loyalty will skyrocket. Now let's talk about the money, honey. Because having a huge Instagram following is great, but you're building a business, not a fan club. It's time to turn those followers into paying clients. First things first, you need to create irresistible lead magnets. These are freebies that provide value to your audience in exchange for their email address. Think free guides, webinars, checklists, templates, anything that solves a specific problem for your ideal client. Next, you need a clear link in bio funnel. This is the path you want people to take from your Instagram profile to your email list and ultimately to your paid offers. A simple example: freebie, email nurture sequence, offer. And don't forget to warm up your audience daily in your stories. Use polls to gauge their interests, host mini trainings, give sneak peeks behind the scenes of your business. Here's a quick funnel example that worked wonders for me. I hosted a free 5-day challenge on Instagram all about creating a profitable online course. I promoted it heavily in my stories, went live daily to answer questions, and provided tons of value. The result? I brought in $10,000 in coaching sales in just 2 weeks, all from organic posting. Imagine 1 year from now, your Instagram exploding with dream clients, your brand known and trusted globally, your business profitable and scaling fast. That's the power of building a personal brand that pays you back. Which step are you going to tackle first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your entrepreneur besties, and subscribe for more boss-level strategies every single week. End screen channel logo, subscribe button, links to related videos like Master Your Money Mindset and top productivity hacks for fempreneurs.